Hello everybody, I'm Teacher Marcia, and for today's activity we are going to create a whiteboard. Based on the book Back to Front and Upside Down, Stan wants to create a card for their principal, and he was afraid to ask for help because he couldn't write. So one way that you can do this with your child at home, you can use a plastic pouch like I have here. You can also use an empty frame and then just place a piece of white paper. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to place a white piece of paper inside this clear pouch. And you can also use paper as well if you don't have these materials at home. So I am going to create a whiteboard using this pouch and paper. So what you're going to do, you can use a washable marker or any marker that you have available at home. I'm going to use a dry erase because this one comes off easily. But if you don't have it, you can use a regular marker. So what I'm going to do, I would encourage my child to go around the house and copy words such as, let's see, I see the word cat up in that cabinet. So I would encourage my child, I'm going to put my camera down for you to see, to go around the house and write the letters that they see. Letters, words, anything. We can also encourage them to write their name. So this is going to help them practice their writing skills. I'm going to write my name. And you can walk around with your child around the house and see, well, what other letters do you see? Encourage them to tell you the letters. And you can point out the letters as the name, the letter. Let's see. I see the word dog. And you can use a paper towel, you can use an eraser, and then this comes off easily. You can also use your finger to comes off. So this would help your child practice their writing skills. Children like in my classroom, they like to go around the classroom and copy the letters or words that they see around their environment. This is a fun way to encourage the children to write. And that is it. It's a simple activity that you can do at home with your child, and your whiteboard will be very useful for many things. Also for creating patterns, drawing pictures as well. I hope you enjoyed our activity. See you next time.